Hello, good morning. How are you today? Do you feel great? Today we will learn about science. We talk about changing states. Let's check it out. What are boiling and melting? The change from a liquid into a gas at its boiling point is called boiling. I have a picture in here. This is boiling water. Have you ever seen your brother or your mother, your father make instant noodle? The first step, they will boiling water. So this is the example of boiling water. You can see in your home. Next, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees of Celsius. We can use a thermometer to observe how the temperature changes. This is the example of the types of thermometer. There are so many types. This is just for the example. Digital thermometer, thermometer sensor, thermometer. This is the example. Next, melting. The change from a solid into a liquid is called melting. This is the picture of melting ice into water. Melting water. The melting point of water is 0 degree of Celsius. What is evaporation? The change of a liquid into a gas at any temperature is called evaporation. Okay, I have a picture in here. In the morning and in the afternoon. So, what is the difference between in the morning and in the afternoon? She saw this puddle of water on her way in the morning, but in the afternoon, when she returned in the afternoon, she noticed that the puddle had disappeared. Oh, why? The water, the water in the puddle had gained heat. In bahasa mendapatkan panas dari matahari ya. Panasnya ini di sini. Gain heat from the surroundings and change into water vapor. Water vapor in bahasa uap air. Jadi, genangan air yang ada di jalan ini di saat siang hari hilang. Kenapa? Karena mendapatkan panas dari sekitarnya. Itu apa sekitarnya? Dari matahari, dan saat dia pulang ini genangan airnya hilang. The water has disappeared. So, what is evaporation? Evaporation in bahasa adalah menguap. Nah, evaporation. Nah, sekarang apa bedanya evaporation and boiling? Karena sama-sama berubah dari liquid, dari benda cair menjadi benda gas. Nah, nanti kita belajar. There are many examples of evaporation in our everyday life. This is the example of evaporation. Clothes hung out to dry, untuk menjemur pakaian. Next, perspiration on our skin, saat kita berkeringat. Perfume sprayed on our skin. Nah, saat menyemprotkan parfum. Alcohol swab applied on skin. Saat kita mengoleskan atau mengoleskan alkohol pada kulit kita. Nah, this is the example. Sorry, this is a difference about evaporation and boiling. Evaporation and boiling, it's same. A liquid changes into a gas. It's same. But what's the difference? Evaporation, it takes place at any temperature. Okay? Next, boiling, it takes place at the boiling point. Jadi perbedaannya, evaporation dapat di segala suhu apapun. Kalau boiling, mendidih, nah mendidih itu saat dalam proses pendidihan, boiling point, saat titik didihnya. Nah, ada titik didihnya itu mendidih, bedanya di situ. Nah, evaporation, menguap, penguapan. No bubbles are formed. Tidak ada gelembung atau buih-buih. Nah, terbentuk tidak ada. Boiling, mendidih, bubbles are formed throughout the liquid. Nah, dia memiliki buih-buih atau gelembung-gelembung yang terbentuk dari benda cair tersebut. Boiling, mendidih. Itu perbedaannya antara penguapan, menguap, dan mendidih. Evaporation and boiling. Next. Okay, Miss Chris want to ask you, do wet clothes dry more quickly on hot day or a cool day? Good job! Hot day. Next. On windy day or a day when the air is still? Good job! On windy day. The clothes more quickly to dry. Next. When clothes spread out or folded. Good job! When clothes spread out. So, the rate of evaporation is how quickly evaporation takes place. The rate of evaporation, kecepatan dalam penguapannya itu depends on the following. Itu berdasarkan dari first, the temperature of the surrounding, yaitu suhu di sekitarnya. The presence of wind, kehadiran atau adanya angin. The surface area, yaitu di sekitarnya. What is condensation? The change of a gas into a liquid is called condensation. It is the reverse of evaporation. So, change a gas into a liquid is condensation. This is the example. These are the example of condensation. Water droplets under the glass cover of pen. Have you ever seen in your house, in your kitchen? Water droplets under the glass cover of pen. Next, Spectacles of glasses misting up. Misting, berembun. Nah, berembun atau berkabut. Have you ever seen or your glasses misting up? Mist on the car windows. When raining, it's absolutely your car windows will be mist. There will be mist on your car windows. Next, water droplets on the cold outer surface of a glass. If you have a cold drink, you can see a water droplets on the cold outer. Di luarnya, ya, di luar gelas atau minuman dinginmu pasti ada titik-titik air, water droplets, on the cold outer surface of a glass. Okay, I think it's enough today to learn about changing states. See you next week. Jesus bless you. Bye bye.